Today we'll try to explore one more new topic, and this is related to the Uipath Clipboard AI copy. So this is the official website which they given. So just come here and click on this, try it now. So it will install one application. After that you can do. So here the crazy part is, so let me go to this RBA challenge. So generally we build the bot for this. So right now it has some new creature. So once you install that clipboard AI, and you can see the top set. So you can move it from anywhere. Okay. So now, for example, if I want to enter this company name, these details. So here all the index will change everything. If I refresh this, so then it will change this index. So this is there is no constant for this index. So now what I will do now, I will open this Excel file. Okay. Just a moment. Okay, done. Let it me refresh it one more time. Okay, change X. Now I want to copy the window. So when you go on the top side, you can see copy window and the paste window. Okay, if it is red color, then it is in the connected status. So you can see this connection is established. So now let me go to copy window. So I need the copy. So this is my copy window. So as of now, I try to paste this data. Okay, let me select this. Okay, and I make it as copy cells. Okay, data has been copied and I want to paste it here. Just go to here and paste it. So the data will automatically paste it. So role in company, it will paste the role in company data, and first name, it will paste this first name. So let me go to Excel file back then, and you can see this. So what is my first name here? So my first name is John and the last name is Smith. So automatically it create. Now I will try to with one more thing here. So let me try to update this data and I will refresh before that this page. Okay, still I will refresh one more time. Okay, now done. So I want to copy window. So this is my copy window. Just I copy this data and let me go to website and click on the paste. So it will take less than 1 minute. It will copy the data and it pastes with the respective fields. So here, as of now, everyone aware of this. So every time the index and the last name, everything will change. But this is beta version of Clipboard AI. So maybe we'll get the original version, maybe future. So this is one of the craziest idea which came the UI path. And next video we'll try with the different. So how can we extracted this data from the PDFs, and we have some different data now. So we'll try to extract those things as well. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.